guys, welcome back to Punctuation School. I almost forgot to introduce myself. I'm Oscar from VCOP Kids. You can even see the VCOP Kids there. So today we'll be doing level 4 and 5 in Sensei Says. In level 4, I'll ask you what do you use this piece of punctuation to do? Like what it does and where you use it and where you might use it in a sentence. In level 5, I'll ask you to put it in a demo sentence. For example, my name is Oscar. Capital for the start, my, capital for my name, Oscar, and full stop for the end to close the sentence. That's the example. My name is Oscar, full stop. So are we ready? Let's start with level 4. Don't forget, it's Sensei Says, so put your listening ears on. Okay guys, are you ready to start our first level, level 4? And I bet you are. Sensei says capital letter. Okay, your turn. Don't forget to say how you use it. If you said for capitalization, like for example, boom, like in an explosion, or like really loud, like boom, it means you'll use a capital letter. The next way to use it is at the start of a sentence. And the third is to name a proper noun, a name of the person, place, or the name of a thing. Sensei says full stop. Good. Now, how do you use it? If you said at the end of a sentence, you are correct. Exclamation mark. Don't do it. Okay, now Sensei says exclamation mark. Now how do you use it? If you said you'll use it at the end of a sentence when something's exciting, when something's shouted or loud, or when something scary or exciting has happened, you'll use your exclamation mark. Sensei says talking marks. Okay, good. But how do you use it? If you said when you're writing something that someone said, you are definitely correct. Question mark. You better not have done it. Okay, Sensei says question mark this time. Now, how do you use it is the trick. If you said when there's a question that needs to be answered, spot on. Now we say Sensei says semicolon. Good. Now how do you use it? If you said to join two independent clauses together, you're right. Now Sensei says hyphen. It's to join another part, like if you're running out of space when you're writing, you'll put a hyphen in and then write the rest on a new line. Or to join some names together. Or either to join two words together that would normally be separated. Okay. Comma. Did you do it? Better not. Sensei says comma this time. How do you use it? Well, there's lots of different ways. I'm only going to tell you a couple, but there's about 15. 1, pause a little like a sentence. 2, make a list. 3, after some good openers or connective, like finally, but there's lots more. Sensei says apostrophe. Like the comma, but in the air. That's a little trick to help you remember. Now, how do you use it? It's simple. Either you own something or you're joining something. And we've gave it a name. And we called it Onus Joinus. For the joinus part, we make two words shortened. For example, do not. To make them shorter, we say don't. Sensei says brackets. Now you probably use them when something's top secret, like extra top secret information. But really, they're just for extra information. Ellipses. Please tell me you didn't do that, and I bet you did. Sensei says ellipses this time. Okay, how do you use it? You use ellipses when something's amazing, interesting, or something scary or exciting is going to happen on the next line. So you might, for example, you'll say, but ellipses, and then you'll write the rest. Okay, you guys are too good. Now for the tricky bit, level 5. Back, but this time level 5. Well done, I wish I could give you a high five. Well, probably. Well, are you ready to start level 5? So think of me as your partner, and I need a demo of how you'll use it in a sentence. Are we ready? Okay, Sensei says capital letter. Okay, your turn. Okay, now put it in a sentence. So if you might have done it like this. My name is Oscar, full stop. Don't forget all the extra punctuation when you're doing all this. This time we're doing it like you're writing. Sensei says full stop. Can you show me how to use it in a sentence as well as the action? Good with the action, and the sentence is really good. Okay, ellipses. Did I say Sensei says? No, so please say you haven't done it. Okay, Sensei says ellipses now. How do you use it? Can you show me how to use it in a sentence as well as the action? I heard a scream, ellipses. But it was just my baby sister. I got such a fright. Sensei says exclamation mark. Don't forget action and how do you use it. Good with your action and good with your sentence. Talking marks. Oops, I didn't say Sensei says. Okay, Sensei says talking marks. Now I said it. So, can you do the action like I normally say? And can you put it in a sentence like we normally do in this level? Okay, if you don't know how to use it, for example, it's hi everyone, said Oscar. So this part is the opening, this part is the end. Sensei says question mark. Good. Can you show me how to put it in a sentence? Good. Sensei says apostrophe. Good job. Now can you show me the sentence? Great. Sensei says hyphen. Action. Good. Now sentence. Really good. We're almost there. Comma. Oops, I didn't say Sensei says. Sensei says, comma. Good. Sentence, please. Excellent. Sensei says brackets. Good action. Okay, your turn with the sentence. Excellent. Colon. Oops, I didn't say Sensei says colon. Sensei says colon. Excellent action. Excellent sentence. Sensei says semicolon. Can you put it in a sentence for me? Okay, you bet me. I have no other punctuation ready for you. Okay, high five. Good. So try and remember your punctuation when you're doing your sentences like you just did. And try and be punctuation detectives to find them, but don't forget your VCOP. Bye from the VCOP kids.